Hello and welcome to our channel. Have you ever heard of this revolutionary technology, but weren't quite sure what it was all about? In this video, we'll demystify the blockchain and explain how it works, why it's so important, and how it's changing the way we do business, from cryptocurrency to supply chain management. The blockchain has the potential to transform countless industries. So if you want to understand this groundbreaking technology and how it's shaping the future, then keep watching. The blockchain is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers so that the record cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks and the consensus of the network. The first use of a blockchain was in the creation of the digital cryptocurrency Bitcoin, which was invented in 2009 by a person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The main purpose of the blockchain in Bitcoin was to create a secure and transparent way to track and verify transactions without the need for a central authority, such as a bank. Since its inception, the blockchain has been used for a wide range of applications beyond just cryptocurrencies. For example, it has been used to create secure and transparent supply chain management systems, to facilitate the secure exchange of medical records, and even to create immutable records for voting systems. So how does the blockchain work? Essentially, it consists of a network of computers, called nodes, that work together to validate and record transactions. When a new transaction is made, it is broadcast to the network and verified by the nodes. Once it has been verified, it is added to the blockchain as a block, which is linked to the previous block in the chain. This creates an immutable record of the transaction that cannot be altered without the consensus of the network. In summary, the blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that allows for secure and transparent tracking of transactions. It was originally developed as a way to track and verify Bitcoin transactions, but has since been used for a wide range of applications beyond just cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is generally considered to be a secure technology, as it is designed to be resistant to tampering and revision. However, it is important to note that no system is completely foolproof and there have been instances where blockchain networks have been hacked. One way in which a blockchain can be hacked is through a process called a 51% attack, in which an attacker is able to gain control of 51% or more of the network's mining power or computational resources. This allows the attacker to potentially alter the blockchain or prevent new transactions from being added to the chain. While 51% attacks are theoretically possible, they are considered to be highly unlikely due to the large amount of resources that would be required to carry out such an attack successfully. In terms of the difficulty of learning to code for the blockchain, it depends on your background and experience with programming. If you are already familiar with programming languages such as C++ or Python, you may find it relatively easy to learn how to code for the blockchain. However, if you are new to programming, it may take some time and effort to learn the necessary skills. There are many online resources available to help you get started, including tutorials, courses, and documentation. One way to think about the blockchain is to consider it like a digital version of a public ledger, such as the one that a bank might use to track financial transactions. Just like a bank's ledger, the blockchain is a record of transactions that is open and transparent, and can be accessed and verified by anyone. However, unlike a traditional ledger, the blockchain is decentralized and distributed, meaning that it is not controlled by a single authority and is instead maintained by a network of computers. Another analogy that might help to understand the blockchain is to think of it like a digital version of a notary public. Just like a notary public, the blockchain is a way to verify and validate the authenticity of a document or transaction. However, instead of relying on a single person to do this, the blockchain uses a network of computers to validate and record the transaction, creating a permanent and unalterable record. I hope these analogies and explanations help to give you a better understanding of the blockchain and how it works. Make sure to subscribe and like if you like the video and stay tuned for more.